Oh, hi. Hey, this is Jerry Teal. I'm the health and wellness advocate, and I wanted to share a little bit of my story today about how I came about into my health and wellness journey. It all began January 10th, 1982, when I began my recovery from alcoholism and substance abuse. Now, that's been a long time ago. And for somebody my age, the stories get longer as you get older. But I'm going to just keep it brief today. The first part of this will probably end up being a couple of videos. But anyway, so when I began that journey, it was obviously has a lot of challenges with it, and finding a spiritual connection to a higher power, all those kind of things, changing your lifestyle drastically. Also, and that includes all the old friends and go away, and you got to find some new friends. So I got into AA, and that was my first exposure to recovery, really serious recovery. And so after about a year, I decided, you know what, I got to quit smoking. I just felt like I could just feel my lungs were just really just not doing well, and I just felt like I needed to do that. So on my birthday, which is April 13th, I began one day at a time not smoking. And what happened was I just get so antsy when I was, just withdrawing from nicotine that I started running. And that started a whole new world for me. Replacing all the chemicals in my body with endorphins, which felt great. And that just calmed my nerves down from smoking. And so, I to this day, I haven't had a cigarette or any alcohol or drugs or anything like that. And I'm very grateful for that. And so that was really the beginning. Starting to exercise and get all those good feelings from that, and calming myself down and being able to also energize myself, which is, as we know, that's what exercise does. So that was the beginning. That's it for this video today. I'm glad you could join me, and I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about my journey in the next video or two that I end up doing. So hope you're having a great day. Here's to your health and your wealth and wellness, and be blessed and highly favored.